Right, okay, so what I want you to do this time for this particular piece of homework, and remember that we're dealing with colour, and the whole point is to demonstrate this, to practice, to learn, to practice and demonstrate this colour blending. So the first thing I want you to do is, because we're dealing with fruit and vegetables, or Miss Griffiths is, then I'm going to ask you to get a tomato and cut it in half first. I'm going to ask, excuse me, I'm going to ask you to cut a tomato in half first. I'm then going to ask you to get some colours, and it doesn't really matter what particular colour schemes you use, although obviously, as you realise, some colours will blend well with other colours and not with other ones. So for example, it's really not a wise thing to do is to try and blend green in with red, because they're opposite colours, and you'll end up with the technical term, which as you all know is a mess. So on this one here, all I'm doing is I'm blending from the yellow through up into the red. Remember, it's the same skills as we learnt on the Matchbox, except that we're using colour. I'm not really interested in somebody just colouring it in all in red. I'm interested in you blending colours together. Now, whatever colours and whatever system of colours you use is going to be completely up to you. For example, I've used blues and yellows and greens down in here, and that's fine. That's perfectly acceptable to use. It's just a matter of finding out which colours you can blend, which colours will work well with each other. And that's it really. I don't expect you to finish it, but I do expect you to get the colour blending on it. Okay.